Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a Google Meet by phone. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Meet apps. Okay, open your Google Meet apps. And after this, in here you can click on join with a code. Click on it, and in here if you have a code you can paste a code in here like this. You can open your apps to this a code. You can copy and then paste in here like this, and after this you can click on a join. Okay, like this. Or and after this you can click on join in here, or you can open your text. In here you can click on the code. Okay, and after this in here you can choose the Google account that you want to use, this one. And after know that how to join a Google Meets by phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.